Okay, so now we're going to show you a left hand technique for the bass to strengthen your left hand. There are a few things to know before you start. If you notice when you look at the frets, as we start up here and we make our way this way, you notice they get further apart, so the distance between them is wider. Generally speaking, with your left hand bass technique, you want to have one finger per fret. If you look up closer, you notice if I put this first finger here, I have my second finger on the next fret, this third finger on the third fret, and my pinky on the fret after that. So I try to keep one finger per fret. That's what I mean when I say that. So to have you start down here doing that would be just too wide, and it hurts a lot for some people's hands. So we have an exercise that's going to help us start up here and make our way down the fingerboard. And the way the exercise is going to work is I'm going to start in the G string, and I will play one note on each fret like that. So I'm going to start in this fret with the two dots, and I'm going to go, that's the 12th fret, so like 12, 13, 14, 15, then go to the next lower string, 12, 13, 14, 15, down a string, 12, 13, 14, 15, down a string, 12, 13, 14, 15, then I'm out of strings, so what do? I reset. I go back to the G string, but this time go down a fret and go 11, 12, 13, 14, down a string, 11, 12, 13, 14, 11, 12, 13, 14, 11, 12, 13, 14, what's next? Back to the G string, but start on 10 now, 10, 11, 12, 13, 10, 11, 12, 13, 12, and so forth. And we're going to work our way down the neck, okay? So while you're playing the exercise, there are a few things I want you to think about. In terms of your right hand, thumb on the pickup like it is, and we're just going to use our first finger. We're not focusing on that finger, so we'll use the first. With your left hand, as you notice, we're going to start on the 12th fret with my first finger, then go to the 13th, 14th, 15th, like that. And so a few things to notice. Notice I have one finger per fret, like I said. If you look at it this way, you're going to notice how I keep my hand curved and rounded as if I was holding a Coke can in that hand. That's the first thing. Then when you look at my thumb is pointing to the sky. Okay, I'll move the strap out of the way here so you can see it better. My thumb is pointing to the sky, and also my thumb is in the middle of the neck. See, the middle this way. If I were to draw a straight line right here, this is the top end, this is the bottom end, this is the middle. My thumb, as I move up and down the neck, stays in the middle, okay? And also, you're going to notice that if you look at it from here, I'll go do it down lower so you can see it better. My thumb is opposite my middle finger. See my thumb right here? See my middle finger right here? So I have one finger per fret, thumb opposite. So when you hear me reminding you to make sure your thumb is opposite the middle finger, I might say, is your thumb in the middle of the fingerboard or in the middle of the neck? Are you doing one finger per fret? Are you keeping your hand rounded like you're holding a Coke can? It's a lot to think about. When you're playing music, don't worry about this stuff so much. This is just an exercise to help strengthen your hands. Once you start playing songs, make music and enjoy it. But for now, let's do this exercise. Get your hand set on the 12th fret index finger, okay, the two dots. I'm going to start the metronome. I will get you set. I'll coach you through it, and then we'll do it together, and we'll just keep going down for a bit, okay? So here we go. Here's the metronome. So you should be counting your head. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And get your right hand set, thumb on the pickup, index finger on the G string, getting ready to go. 1 and 2 and 3 like that. Now get my right hand set, one finger per fret. Find the 12th fret with the two dots. Put my index finger on the G string on the 12th fret. Now I've got my other 4 fingers ready to land on the other frets. I've got my thumb in the middle of the neck behind it and opposite where my middle finger is going to go down. And now I'm ready. 1 and 2 and here I go. Down a string, so see that's the pattern. Down a fret now, 11th fret, 12, 13, 14, down a string, 11, 12, 13, down a string, 11, 12, what's going on with your hand. 10th fret, 11, 12, switch. Are you keeping your hand rounded? Is your thumb in the right place, in the middle of the fingerboard, or in the neck and the back? Is your thumb and middle finger opposite each other? 9th fret, 10, 11, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now if you hear a ticking sound like this, like that means you're not pushing down hard enough. Now we're on 8, 9, 10. Now go back to 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9. Here comes 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8. Last one for 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now give your hand a break. And that is your left hand technique exercise.